Well, the typical situation would call for going after the manufacturer. After all, the manufacturer is the one that put the vehicle in the showroom and on the street and in your hands. So what we typically do would look to the manufacturer of the vehicle or any product. There are some situations where a distributor or a seller of a product can be brought into a case, but those are fairly limited. Particularly in Texas, there are certain laws that restrict going after someone other than the manufacturer. So for most purposes, we would look to the manufacturer of the product for responsibility for someone's injuries.